Hey guys, yeah, so 2013 Impala, changed out the battery. Just showing you, I did that. Ended up getting, let's see, the one from Walmart. It's a 34N. Okay. And so the first thing I did is undo this brace here. Okay. A couple of these dealies. I think they're like, let's see, 1/2 inch. So 1/2 inch, 13s, something like that. You can use. Okay, so there's two here, and the one here. And you don't have to remove it. You can just slide it back out of the way. But I just like to get it gone. Okay, but to do that, you have to you gotta remove these clips here. I just got some needle nose. Pried these two out. Gives you some room. Okay, and then the other thing is the fuse box here. I just took the cover off. Okay, just unsnaps. Gives you a little more room. Okay, and then you get a couple, I think 11s up here. Okay, and then you can lift this up. So I had my wife, she went ahead and, okay, so she held this out of the way like that. And then with the wires I held it, and then I was able to get the battery in there. It's tight, but that's the way we did it. That's what we had to remove to get the battery in there. And then I got this plastic piece. It's going to go down in here. Okay. I mean, yeah. Okay, that plastic piece right there, it's going to hold the battery in place. And in the back, you kind of slide in there. You can see in the back there. When you're doing, just put, slide it towards you till it stops, and that's enough. And then we got the bolt. I think that's a 1/2 inch, same size, down there. Okay, holds the battery in place. Then you get the positive. Do the negative and then the positive, and those are 10s. Okay, and then that's about it. I'll put this back, and then the brace, and that's it as far as the battery. So obviously it takes a little work. It's not in and out like a bunch of cars, but anyway, so that's as far as the battery. I'm sure the other models are the same, or very similar, the Impalas and whatever their Chevy products or whatever car. Yeah, so this is a 13 Impala. Just changing out the battery. The old one was from 2017. So, alright, hey, thanks for watching and subscribing. Bye now.